Did you know that 1 in 4 Americans are now working from home? Welcome to the new era of employment. This shift towards home-based work is not just a passing trend. It's a significant change brought about by recent global events. The convenience of skipping the commute, the flexibility to manage personal tasks alongside work, and the joy of working in your pajamas. Isn't it something we've all dreamt of? Stay tuned as we unveil 50 incredible sources for work-at-home jobs that really make you money. Starting off the list with a bang, let's dive into the top 10 sources for work-from-home jobs. First, we have freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can offer a vast array of services, from graphic design to virtual assistants. Second, there's Amazon Mechanical Turk, a crowdsourcing marketplace that connects businesses with remote workers. Third, we have online teaching platforms like VIPKid and Teachaway, offering opportunities to teach English to students around the world. Next up, we have Etsy for the crafty ones among us, allowing you to sell handmade or vintage items. Then there are content mills like Textbroker, for those with a knack for writing. Moving on, we have Turo and Airbnb, platforms that allow you to make money by renting out your car or home. Lastly, we have platforms like TaskRabbit and Thumbtack, where you can offer local services, such as cleaning or handyman work, remotely. And that's just the beginning. There's plenty more where that came from. Ready for more? Here come the next 10 sources for lucrative work from home opportunities. Number 11, Upwork, a well-known platform where freelancers can find jobs in a range of fields. 12, Fiverr, a place where you can sell your unique skills starting at just $5. 13, Rev, a lesser-known site where you can make money by transcribing audio files. 14, we have Etsy, a marketplace for handmade crafts and vintage items. 15, Chegg Tutors, where you can share your knowledge and tutor students online. 16, TaskRabbit, a site where you can get paid for doing everyday tasks for people in your local area. 17, we have Just Answer, where professionals answer questions and get paid. 18, Scribendi, a spot for freelance editors and proofreaders. 19, User Testing, a site that pays you to test websites and apps. And at 20, we have Zirtual, a platform for virtual assistants. We're just getting warmed up. Stay tuned for even more amazing sources. We're halfway there, but the opportunities are far from half-hearted. Here are the next 10 sources for work-at-home jobs. 11, Teaching online. Use your expertise to educate others from the comfort of your home. 12, Graphic design. If you have a knack for visual creativity, this could be your calling. 13, Podcasting. Got a voice and a story to tell? The world is waiting. 14, Virtual assistant. Help businesses stay organized from anywhere in the world. 15, Social media management. Turn your social media savvy into a lucrative career. 16, Web development. Got coding skills? Use them to build websites from home. 17, Blog writing. Share your thoughts and expertise with the world. 18, SEO consultancy. Help businesses rank higher on search engines. 19, Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission. And 20, Dropshipping. Sell products directly to consumers without holding any inventory. We're not done yet. Keep watching for more incredible sources. As we approach the end of our list, the opportunities only get better. Here are the penultimate 10 sources for work-at-home jobs. First up, we have online coaching. If you're an expert in a certain field, sharing your knowledge can be a great source of income. Next, there's graphic design. Companies are always on the lookout for fresh talent to create their visual content. Thirdly, we have online language tutoring. If you're bilingual, this could be a perfect fit for you. Fourth, there's freelance writing. From blog posts to ebooks, there's a huge demand for written content. Fifth, we have social media management. Businesses need help maintaining their online presence. Sixth, there's virtual assistants. From data entry to customer service, these jobs are plentiful. Seventh, there's affiliate marketing. Promoting products can earn you a nice commission. Eighth, there's software development. If you're tech savvy, this could be a great fit. Ninth, we have e-commerce. Selling products online has never been easier. And 10th, there's SEO consulting. Businesses need help improving their online visibility. Stay with us as we reveal the final 10 sources. You won't want to miss this. We've made it to the end of our list, but the opportunities are endless. Here are the final 10 sources for work-at-home jobs. Number 41 is freelance writing, a field where creativity blooms and pays. 42 is proofreading, a perfect fit for those with an eye for detail. Next up, number 43, is virtual tutoring, transforming education from a distance. 44 is website testing, a critical element in the digital age. Number 45 is becoming an online juror, a fascinating way to participate in the justice system. 46 is affiliate marketing, where your influence can earn you income. Number 47 is dropshipping, a low-investment e-commerce model. Number 48 is data entry, a job that requires precision and patience. 49 is selling handmade crafts, a creative outlet that can become a lucrative business. And finally, number 50 is social media management, a booming field in today's digital era. Congratulations on making it through the list. And there you have it, 50 sources for work-at-home jobs that really make you money. We've covered a lot of ground today, but remember, the journey is just beginning. We've unveiled 50 fantastic ways to make a living from the comfort of your own home. From freelance writing to virtual assistants, from online tutoring to graphic designing, the opportunities are as vast as they are varied. Each of these paths offers you the chance to break free from the 9-to-5 grind, to find that work-life balance you've been seeking, to be your own boss. They offer flexibility, autonomy, and the freedom to work in your pajamas if that's your thing. More importantly, they offer you the opportunity to do something you love and are good at, all while making a good income. Remember, the key to a successful work-at-home job is finding what suits you best. It's about discovering what you're passionate about, what you're skilled at, and how you can turn that into a profitable venture. Now it's over to you. Explore these 50 sources, delve into the opportunities they offer, and start your work-from-home journey today. There's a world of opportunities waiting for you out there. All you need to do is take that first step. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring and informative content like this. Until next time, happy job hunting!